Hello friends, today I am making bread Swiss roll. First we need fresh bread. You need to cut the line of the bread, okay? And we have two colors of jam. You can use any color, okay? I have red and orange, okay? And we need a rolling pin and a spoon and a knife. Let's take this bread and roll it with the rolling pin very carefully. Color to the other bread, okay? Now we do this very carefully, and we take the other slice and put it to the top and take the rolling pin and squish it. Now I'm going to roll the bread like this. Now let's cut the bread, okay? Now let's get a toothpick and push it down. Our Swiss roll is ready, okay? And you can put it in the fridge, okay? And you can take for that lunch, okay? And if you like my video, comment me, okay? I will give you another video. Bye bye friends.